People say they've got no time to stretch, work out, whatever. This is something you can do constructive in the time it takes to boil a kettle. Put the kettle on, and you do this very short mobility flow. Better than nothing, a good way to start your day while you're waiting for your cup of joe.